Today we are learning Morse stitch. Another of my own designs, this one got its name because the longer and shorter couching stitches reminded me of the dots and dashes of Morse code. Here we'll begin with a woven trellis done with double bars. So I'm laying down 2 parallel stitches close together as each ground thread bar of the trellis. Over that, we'll weave another set of double threads to create the squares of a trellis. Use the same weave pattern for both of the threads creating each bar. Then offset the pattern for the 2 threads creating the next bar, and so on until the whole area is filled with a double bar woven trellis. Now we'll add the couching. Place long couching stitches over the cross points where the ground threads lay on top. They can face in either direction, but once you choose a direction, stick with it for the remaining long couching stitches. For the dots of the Morse stitch, we'll place short couching stitches in between each of the long ones, facing in the perpendicular direction. Then we can place more short stitches in the empty squares, these facing parallel to the longer stitches. Continue this pattern around the whole space until every square has a short couching stitch inside, perpendicular when between the ends of those long stitches, and parallel when between the sides. And that's Morse stitch. Add a border for that clean edge. And we're done.